What's the meaning of Bundt pan? Bundt pan. Bundt pan.
Bundt pan. Bundt pan. A bundt pan is a type of cake pan that is characterized by its distinctive ring shape with fluted sides. When using a bundt pan, the resulting cake is usually round with a hollow center that is shaped like a donut. The fluted sides create an interesting design on the outside of the cake, which can be further accentuated with glazes or other decorations. Bundt cakes are typically moist and dense, with a slightly heavier texture than other types of cakes. Due to their unique shape and appearance, bundt cakes are often used for special occasions or as a centerpiece dessert.